Google just did something it almost never does. It skipped its own biggest event to drop a bombshell a week early. What they announced is going to change how you use every screen you own, and the change starts this summer. Like and subscribe. You will want to see what Google is saving for next week. The biggest announcement is called Gemini Intelligence. Gemini is Google's artificial intelligence, but this is not an assistant you talk to. It watches what you are doing and acts before you even ask. Here is the example they showed. You are staring at a long grocery list in your Notes app. You press and hold the side button. Gemini reads the list and builds a full shopping cart for home delivery automatically. No copy paste, no switching apps, just done. That is coming to Pixel and Samsung Galaxy this summer, and it works on your watch, your laptop, and your car. Google just invented a new category of device called the Googlebook. It is not a Chromebook. It is a full laptop reimagined around artificial intelligence from the ground up. Point your cursor at anything on screen, press one button, and Gemini answers or acts. No browser, no switching windows. Your Android phone apps mirror directly onto the bigger screen, and all your phone files appear instantly on the laptop. The first Googlebooks arrive this fall. If this works, it could make the MacBook irrelevant for most people. Android 17 is built for creators. Screen recording now captures your face and screen simultaneously. Instagram gets full tablet support with better video, better night photos, and faster uploads. Adobe Premiere is coming to Android this summer, but none of those are the announcement that stopped me. Google is adding a feature called Pause Point. Instead of a hard app timer that locks you out, it gives you a 10-second breathing break and asks one question. Why am I here? You breathe, look at a favorite photo, or switch to an audiobook. It is small, but it might be the most human feature Google has ever shipped. If that hit different, share this video. Someone you know needs to hear about this feature. Android Auto is getting a complete redesign. Ultra high definition video at 60 frames per second is coming to cars from BMW, Ford, Mercedes, Hyundai, Kia, and more. Certain cars are also getting Dolby Atmos. Close your eyes in the right car and you will forget you are not in a cinema. Here's what nobody is saying. Everything Google showed today, the AI, the laptop, the car features, none of it requires a new phone. It is coming to devices you already own. The upgrade is not coming. It is already on its way. Google I/O is in 1 week. Watch this channel because when they announce what they held back, you will want to have seen this video first.